Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to OnePlus Nord 4. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on Oppo, using all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button. If you want to scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and just point it at the code. Lastly, wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!